In this video, we are going to show you how to do a star shape, what to look out for, and how to make it easier or harder. Stretch your legs and arms as wide as you can, like this. Keep them straight, keep your back straight and hold the position. You may see a child leaning forwards like this. Make sure they are looking forward, keeping their shoulders up and arms out straight. If someone is finding it too easy, they can try and hold the shape while standing on their tiptoes. If someone's finding it too difficult, they can try laying on the floor and holding the shape. Can you think of other ways to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter and website for more ideas?